The new models include the H710 and H710i, H510 and H510i, and the H210 and H210i, ranging from mid-tower, compact mid-tower, and mini ITX cases. The tempered glass window beautifully showcases your build and now installs with a single captive thumb screw, making it easier than ever to access components. We've modernized the front I/O panel with a Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, enabling you to connect smartphones, external storage, and peripherals to your PC. The audio connections have been updated to a single 3.5mm jack for broad compatibility with audio output devices. AirF fans are included for optimal internal airflow with removable filters on all intakes to help reduce dust in your build. All models include removable fan and radiator mounting brackets for radiators up to 240mm for the H210, up to 280mm for the H510, and up to 360mm for the H710. This simplifies installation of closed-loop or custom-loop liquid cooling by allowing you to install them to the bracket outside of the case. Our patented cable routing system makes organizing your cables simple, intuitive, and attractive. The Smart I versions feature pre-installed RGB lighting and digital fan control, the new Smart Device version 2, updated with a faster processor for improved performance and 2 Q2 compatible RGB channels. The Smart Device version 2 is fully integrated with CAM for total control of preset and custom lighting modes, as well as 3 fan channels supporting voltage regulated or PWM fans. By measuring system noise under multiple loads, the improved ambient noise reduction feature in CAM delivers an optimal balance between cooling and system noise. Both H510i and H710i allow you to mount your graphics card vertically for further customization. Simply remove the vertical GPU mounting bracket cover, insert a riser cable into a PCIe slot, install the GPU onto the bracket, then connect the riser to your GPU. The updated NZXT H Series is available in white, black, and black and red colors at all authorized retail locations.
Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake V250 ARGB mid-tower case, the newest member of our V series of cases. The V250 is 230mm high, 216.5mm wide, and 477mm deep. This makes the case relatively compact in size, so it will fit on smaller desks and tighter spaces with ease. It has a 4mm thick tempered glass panel on the leftmost side of the case, as well as an acrylic front panel that provides the perfect way to show off the gorgeous pre-installed front fans. The side panel has 4 removable screws, allowing you easy access to all your components. The 3 120mm ARGB fans provide high airflow and feature 9 addressable LEDs and hydraulic bearings. The case also comes with one standard 120mm rear fan to ensure you have optimal airflow. Your pre-installed ARGB fans can be controlled by utilizing your motherboard software or by the handy button on your front I/O panel. Your I/O panel also comes with one USB 3.0 port and 2 USB 2.0 ports. You can fit up to an ATX size motherboard inside, as well as a CPU cooler of up to 160mm. This case was made with all-in-one water cooling support in mind, hence the large amount of clearance space above the motherboard. You can fit a radiator of up to 240mm at the top, or one of up to 360mm at the front. The case also features a handy PSU shroud to hide all your cables under, as well as some perforation above your power supply to assist in airflow. The V250 comes with an HDD cage for up to 2 hard drives. This cage is removable though, so if you are finding a little pokey in there with all of your cables, don't fret. There is also 2 mounts for your SSDs located at the back of the case. The case comes with dust filtration at the bottom, as well as a magnetic fan filter at the top to keep out all of those dust bunnies. The case also has quite high feet, allowing for optimal airflow at the base of the case as well. So if you want a clean, sleek looking case with tons of options for expandability, then the V250 might just be the perfect upgrade for you. Coming with 3 gorgeous pre-installed ARGB fans, as well as 2 stunning panels, this is a case that looks just as good as it functions.